just want to thank you guys for my journey. I just got done with the hair washing process with Marcel helped me. He showed me how to use the products for my hair again. When you first come to the clinic, what they do is they assess your hair and they see what kind of hairline you want, and the doctor draws it. And after that, you go into the operation room where they shave your hair, and then they begin the process of extracting. And after the extraction process, what they do is they remove the grafts, and around lunchtime they give you lunch in charge of that. And then after that you finish, you go back into the operation where the doctor comes in and make the incision process for you. And after the incision process, what he does is that the technicians, they input the plans that they took out for your head, and after that the doctor just makes sure everything looks okay before you get to leave out of here. And you have a little bandage that you have to keep on, and you have to take your medicines also to prevent the swelling, and drink a lot of water. But overall, they've done a great process of walking me through, and Mansour is always available on WhatsApp if you need more questions, or if you have any more questions about the process, and you can also ask the doctor about it.